Working on my 2003 Ford F-150 again, and I got a quick video on how to replace the whole tail light assembly. On my left light here, I got a brake light that's out, and as you can see, my whole assembly is all cracked up and everything, so just going to go ahead and replace the whole thing here. So first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and open up your tailgate. Then come over here to your assembly, and you'll got two 8mm bolts. So go ahead and pull those out. And then you should be able to just pull this out of here. I think there's a couple clips here, so you just gotta pull out on it. Just like that. You can see that clip right there. And then also that one there. So then go ahead and twist out your bulbs here. Also your reverse bulb, just twist and pull that out. All right, so let's take a look at our new and old one here. You can see a new one on the right here. This is the Dorman 1610236. Got this off of Amazon. It was only like 20 bucks. So well worth it. And it looks exactly the same. And then the tail light and brake light is going to be a 3157, so I'm going to replace that. I did not pick up a reverse light because that one's still working. But if you do, you might as well just replace that as well. And that'll be a 3156 on the reverse light. So let's go ahead and get this new bulb in real quick. So go ahead and pull out the old bulb here. And go ahead and grab your new bulb here. I like to just use a rag because they say the oils on our skin can make these blow. And then just go ahead and stick that in there. Grab your new light. So they probably put these stickers on here so dirt and stuff doesn't get in there. Just go ahead and pull those off. Grab your lights here. Go ahead and twist those in. Make sure they're in there. Make sure they kind of lock into place there. And go ahead and get your these little fittings lined up here that pop into those. And then you got to just kind of hit it. Just like that. Then go ahead and grab your two 8mm screws. Go ahead and screw those in. Now let's go ahead and test it, make sure everything works. All right, guys, so that's going to be it. Again, this was a 2003 Ford F-150. Went ahead and replaced the rear tail light assembly. Really simple to do. All it pretty much is just two 8mm screws and it's off. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, why don't you subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.